In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to end a PowerPoint presentation in under 5 minutes. Whether you're preparing for a class presentation, a business pitch, or any event where you need to present ideas clearly and professionally, PowerPoint is a tool you're likely familiar with. But knowing how to smoothly conclude your presentation can enhance the overall experience for your audience and leave a lasting impression. First things first, let's dive into how you can get your PowerPoint presentation up and running. If you've just turned on your computer or are looking at your desktop, the first thing you'll want to do is open up Microsoft PowerPoint. You'll usually find it by searching in your Start menu or by finding the orange P icon. Once you click on it, the program will launch and you'll be greeted with the opening screen. This opening screen is where the magic begins. It's here you'll locate the presentation you've worked hard on and are ready to showcase. Browse through the recent documents section or click on Open Other Presentations to navigate to the place you've saved your file. Once you find your presentation, click on it and it will load up, ready for you to review one last time before presenting. Now, on to presenting. Once you're satisfied that your slides are in the perfect order and all your animations are set, it's showtime. To launch your presentation into full screen mode, simplifying the viewing experience for your audience and allowing you to focus on delivering your content, you'll press the F5 key on your keyboard. Pressing F5 instantly transforms your screen, showcasing your first slide and hiding all the distractions of the PowerPoint interface. This is where you begin to navigate through your presentation, speaking to your slides and engaging with your audience. As you reach the end of your presentation, you might wonder, how do I gracefully exit full screen mode and conclude my presentation without fumbling through keys or abruptly ending my slideshow? This is simpler than you might think. The key to a smooth exit lies with a single button on your keyboard, the escape key. Gently pressing the escape key once you've delivered your closing remarks or are ready to have a quanda session with your audience will take you out of the full screen presentation mode and back to the normal view of your PowerPoint window. This action is subtle and allows for a seamless transition from the conclusion of your presentation to whatever comes next. A couple of additional tips to keep in mind for a polished presentation experience. Always familiarize yourself with the content of your slides so you can present confidently. Also, rehearsing your presentation with the actual PowerPoint file can help you get comfortable with transitioning from slide to slide. Remember, your slides are there to support your speech, not to serve as your script. Knowing how to conclude your presentation effectively is crucial. It leaves your audience with a clear understanding of your message and demonstrates your competency in using digital tools to enhance your communication. Ending your PowerPoint presentation smoothly by pressing the escape key is a simple yet effective way to ensure that you leave a strong impression on your audience. This action not only signifies the end, but also prepares you for the next steps, whether it be answering questions, discussing points in more detail, or simply thanking your audience for their time. In summary, becoming proficient with these essential functions within PowerPoint will undoubtedly aid in delivering a successful presentation. From opening your PowerPoint file to ending your presentation with grace, each step plays a significant role in the overall effectiveness of your communication. By following these straightforward steps, you'll be equipped to deliver presentations that are not only informative, but also engaging and impactful. Thank you for watching today's tutorial on how to end a PowerPoint presentation. Whether you're a student, a professional, or someone looking to improve your presentation skills, I hope you found this guide helpful. Remember, practice makes perfect, and with these tips, you're well on your way to mastering your PowerPoint presentations.